Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over DXFs and how to import them and how to use them to add machining and edit shapes on parts. So first off, I'm just going to click on new job. I'm going to create a new job. Wait for it to boot up. So what we'll do is we'll name this DXF test. We'll go OK. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a wall. We'll click OK and go escape. Go elevation. So what we're going to do is go to room, because we're going to set the material for this room. So we're going to go to cabinet, materials, and we want this to be prime anthracite velvet, 25 mil. So we'll find it. There we go. I'm going to click OK. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add this top. So I've got a favourites here, which is a desk. So we're going to bring that out, and we're going to drop that there. I know this desk needs to be 1600 wide. I'll click escape. Oh, so I'll click there. I'm going to change this width to 1600, and it is 800 deep, which is correct. I'm going to go enter. We'll go OK. So what we're going to do now is we're going to edit the shape. First off, we're going to double click on it. Now we want to add this DXF over here for the shape. So we're going to go CAD. We're going to insert DXF. I'm going to click here. And I have this DXF here. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to go open. And I'm going to import. You can see the outline there. I'm going to click OK. So what I'm going to do is I drag it off here. So what we're going to do is we're going to transform it. Watch, flips it over into the correct position. So now we can just drag this over top of it. There we go. Now we overlay this over the part. So I'll click over top of it. Escape and escape. So now what we're going to do is we're going to edit the shape for this. So what we're going to do is going to go line. So we're going to go click around here. There's a point there. I'm going to drop that to that point. We're going to do that point there. As you can see, it snaps to these little. You see this little line here. That's a point. Another point there. You can't really see this one, but it locks to it. So what we're going to do now is we'll go to trim, delete. We're going to delete that line. And now what we're going to do now is we're going to bend this into shape. As you can see, there's a point there to point there. So we're going to bend that there, and that locks into there. That locks to there. So we'll do the same over here to there. We'll do that over there. Now, as you can see, we've got the shape done. So we're going to go return, and we're going to save our new shape. So we're going to do now. Oh, first off, I'm going to do a quick span around. As you can see, the banding's gone. It's lost its banding. So if we go back to plan. So what we're going to do is reassign banding for that back edge. So what we're going to do is we're going to go edge banding. So all this whole back edge is going to be exterior pre-glued banding. So we're going to click that. Go there, 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 there. I'm going to go return. We're going to go save bandings. Now you can see that's all. So if we click on the thing, get edge banding. So this is exterior, 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 and this is exterior pre-glued. So go back to that 3D. You can see all the bandings done. So go back to plan. So now onto the next step. So what we're going to do now is we're going to transform that DXF onto the bottom of this part so we can add the drillings to it. So we're going to go clipboard, copy. Now we're going to go escape, and now we're going to go cam, and now we're going to paste this part onto here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to rotate this part, transform, rotate. I'm going to do right by 90. As you can see, we're doing the underside, so it's got these two holes here, which is drawn, the DXF is drawn from the face, and this is on the bottom, so we want these two holes here to go up here. So what we're going to do is going to go transform, and we're going to flip it, and now it's flipped that DXF. So when I add it on, if I can get that, okay, if I can add it on, I'll show you once. I've done all the drillings. So now we're gonna add. First off, we'll add these two holes. We're gonna do a couple of holes. I'll show you how to do the holes. So we've got it's 3mm diameter and it's going 10mm deep in auto select tool. So what we're going to do is we're going to go click there, click there. I always do line balls, but I'll show you the holes first. So we're going to go line ball. So what we're going to do, it's 3 meters diameter, it's 10mm deep, and I know these holes are 80mm. So we're going to change this value here to 80, the spacing for the line ball. So we're going to go there, there. I know these are 80. Then I'll go down to the bottom because I know it's got some on the bottom. So I always try and do all the same ones and change it. So I'll go there to there. As you can see, it's moved when I've tried it. So what we'll do here is we'll go select. Sometimes it happens. And you can see this angle here. So we're going to change this to -90. And we'll go enter, and that'll put that back into position. So if you ever have that happen to you, that's how you fix it. So now we'll go back up to that line ball up there, and we'll fix that. We'll do that one. Now we'll measure these ones here. I think they're 118, but I'll check. So we'll go to measure. So I'll go measure from there to there, and it is 118, so go escape, go back to line ball, and we'll change the spacing to 118, and we'll go from there and there. That's there, 118. We'll go back up here and do these two. Now this one. We can see it's done it again, so select. We'll add that, change the angle to 270. I know that hole isn't supposed to be there, so we'll just leave it. So I'm just going to put another couple of holes here. I've got a drawing and I can see where the holes actually need to be. So there, add that hole. And now I'll do a line ball for these two. So I'm going to go measure. And that's 92. So we'll go to line bore and change their spacing to 92. We'll do these last line bores. I hope you're getting a good understanding, because it's quite simple to do when you get your head around it. In my line of work, I do quite a lot of tops, so it's quite natural for me. I've got the hang of it. So I'm going to return. As you can see now that these holes here have lined up where they need to be, so we can go to CAD. To make sure we got all the holes, we can just delete this DXF now, and now you can see all these holes are where they're supposed to be. And we'll have a quick view in 3D. As you can see, these holes here. You go to the end view, we'll just have a quick look. But these holes, we set them as, we select them as 3 mil. So measure 3 mil by 10 mils deep. So we'll just check that. Just double check. No harm in double checking. 3. See up the top, horizontal is 3, vertical is 10. Just click escape to get out of that. Yeah. So yeah, that's a finished top that we've used at DXF to create. I hope you find this useful, and thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and to subscribe so I can continue to add valuable content for you guys. Thank you. Bye.